we've got to solve this equation here, which you notice is a quadratic. So we're going to expect two solutions. So let's write down the equation to start with. Now, as you probably know, this is going to turn out to be something looking like that. And we can certainly put an x here and an x there, and we need to work out two numbers that go here and here. I have to say there is an enormous clue here in the question as to what method we use. And here it is. Answers to three significant figures. So where I've put these wobbly red lines, this is a number of three significant figures. And so is this. So we can't solve this by inspection. There are no two numbers that are easily worked out that are integers that multiply together to be 6, whose difference is 2. So we've got to use the quadratic formula. And there it is. And remember, A, B, and C are the numbers in front of the three terms. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. So we get A is equal to 1, B is equal to, got to take its sign with it, minus 2, negative 2, and C is equal to negative 6. Now we can pop those into our formula and get two answers. We'll get two answers because we've got this plus or minus here. So x is equal to negative b, so that's negative negative, so this is simply 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Now this term 4ac, we're going to have to work out the value and indeed the sign. Let's work out the sign first. We've got a negative here, so we've got one negative. This is positive, so we've still got the one negative. And c will be negative. So effectively, we've got negative times negative, so we can write positive. Now I can forget the signs. It's just 4ac. So 4 times 1 times 6 is 24. All over 2 times a, which is 2. So 2 plus or minus the square root of 28. And we're all over 2. So we've got to do two solutions here. We need x is equal to 2 plus root 28 over 2. And the other solution is x is equal to 2 minus the square root of 28, again, all over 2. Okay, let's find those answers, pop that into a calculator. So all we've got to do is obey the instructions to reduce this to three significant figures. Where's going to be our cutoff? Three significant figures is including the number in front of the decimal point. So our cutoff point will be here and here. Now we've just got to see that the 5-7 and the 5-7, yes, we're going to have to round up the last of the digits. So we get x is equal to 3.65 and x is equal to negative 1.65, and they're both to three significant figures. And those are your answers.